Hi, it's Amelia at Immobiliser Fit. What I've installed today is another Starline stealth system, which is a Starline Immobiliser, which uses a push sequence or the customer's phone to start the vehicle, and also subscription free tracking if the vehicle is to be lifted and taken away. So the way the Immobiliser protects the vehicle, if someone hopped in with a cloned key or did a relay attack on the system, went to start the vehicle up, it simply won't start. So they've got to go through authorization. Like I said, it can be paired up with the customer's phone through Bluetooth with an adjustable range, or they can use a push sequence on the steering wheel. So the push sequence on the steering wheel we've set is ignition on. We've set it as 1, 2, 3 to keep it simple. Here our disarm melody, and the vehicle starts. If the customer wants to obviously change the code to something more secure than just a single button press, first the system has to be disarmed. So within 10 seconds, if we start the vehicle up, we get the disarm tone. If it's any longer than that, we need to put the code in. So for now it's disarmed. So we'll press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cycle the ignition. We'll get 5 bleeps and then we can pop our new code in. So we'll just change it to... We'll wait for a confirmation. Then we'll repeat that again. The code we set was back, paddle. We should get the same confirmation. There we go, and that's the code confirmed. So we'll just turn the ignition off, give it 10 seconds to set, and then we'll try the old code. You'll see that doesn't work, so we'll do the new code. So that should be set by now. So if we just try to start it, see the vehicle's protected and you need the push sequence. So if we put off the brake, ignition on, we'll put the old code in, 1, 2, 3. Obviously get no melody because we've changed the code. So turn the ignition on, back your foot on the brake. 1, 2, 3. Melody, we can start the vehicle. This push sequence could be obviously anything between 3 and 21 presses in any combination. So it's really up to the customer what they choose. If they need to take this vehicle back to Mercedes and obviously need to get it serviced, they don't want to give them the push sequence and they don't want to give them the customer's phone, it can be put into what's called service mode, which means the Immobiliser doesn't exist. And the way you do that is hop in with the ignition on, disarm the system, got our disarm tone, now press any button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle the ignition, we'll get 2 bleeps, and this is then a normal vehicle. There we go. So now if someone hops in, obviously from Mercedes, when they need to service it, the car will just start up as normal and act as if there's nothing fitted to it. When you get it back from them and you obviously want it protected again, ignition on, put your disarm code in, we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go, and the vehicle's protected again. So after about 10 seconds, like I said, this automatically arms, and we'll just test that now. So that's been about 10 seconds. If we try and start it up, see the vehicle's protected again. If you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle, and obviously want the Immobiliser as well as subscription free tracking, this is the Starline stealth system fitted on this 2022 Mercedes E-Class convertible. Once again, if you want it secured, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Once again, that's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.